Alright everyone, in this episode we want to show you how to make a delicious Chinese style spicy pork belly. We begin with 500 gram pork belly, which we cut in rough pieces. The pork belly pieces we give in a hot pan with a decent amount of hot oil. Deep fry the pork belly for around 5 minutes until it gets a gold brown surface, but don't let it become too dry. While the pork belly is deep fried, we take a piece of ginger, cut off the skin and chop it into very fine pieces. We also peel 2 cloves of garlic and also chop them together with the ginger to fine pieces. When our pork belly starts to look a bit crispy, remove it from the hot oil and give it in a bowl. Then we give the garlic ginger mix to our pork belly and take a chilli, slice it and add the slices to our bowl too. Now we take time to prepare our green beans. Take 1 or 2 dozen and remove the endings. Cut them in half and put them in a pot with boiling salted water and boil them for around 3 minutes. While the green beans are cooking, we want to finish our marinade and first add a pinch of sugar. We also add 1 good tablespoon of the famous 13 spices powder. Then we add 1 tablespoon black bean paste. To enhance the aroma, we use 2 to 3 tablespoons Hua-Diao-wine. Instead of salt, we use 2 to 3 tablespoons light soy sauce. Now mix everything well. The pork belly can marinate now. We also remove our green beans from the boiling water and give them into a bowl with cold water. Remove the water when the beans are cold and start becoming more soft. While the pork belly soaks the flavor of the marinade, we begin cooking our rice. We chose Jasmine Rice and took 1 cup rice and 1.3 cups water. First, we cook our rice carefully for 15 minutes. Stir the rice sometimes while doing that. When the rice has soaked all the water, we turn the heat off and cover it. After 10 minutes covered without heat, our jasmine rice is ready. We want to finish our dish now, and therefore we take a pan with some oil and add a dozen Szechuan peppercorn to it. We also add 1 piece star anise seed to our oil. Begin heating the oil with the spices. When the oil is hot and gets some aroma from the spices, we give our marinated pork belly into the pan. Fry everything for 2 to 3 minutes before you also add your green beans to the pan. Fry everything together for another 2 minutes and our delicious spicy pork belly is ready to serve. We hope you enjoy our recipe and try it on your own. We are glad to have you as our subscribers. Thanks for all your support. Over and out.